What's up, everyone? Want to give a update on my 2000 Chevy Suburban hard starting problem. Brought my truck into my mechanic, and the fuel regulator switch or sensor, it's one or the other, right here. I zoom in, it gets blurry, so I'll point to it. But the old one that I had on there went bad because it was constantly delivering fuel to the rest of the engine, which when I had problems I had when my car was warm, I had to turn it over 5 or 6 times for the engine to actually start up, or turn it and give it gas while I'm turning it over. Turns out to be that because that sensor kept delivering fuel to the rest of the engine and basically was causing the flooding like problems that I was constantly having. So you replace that. So that issue is gone. I replaced the plugs and the wires on this now. It's got like 147,000 miles on it. I got it used. I'm not 100% certain what kind of maintenance was done with the previous owner, so I don't want to be comfortable knowing that things are being taken care of and kept up on. Here's my old plugs. The AC Delco. The numbers wore off of this one. I don't remember offhand what the exact number was, but when I went into Advanced Auto, I did pick up AC Delco plugs, but they're not the same number. The gap is off. These are gapped at 0.06, and the ones I picked up were gapped at 0.04. So I just took my little gap tool here and made them all 0.06. And before I put some anti-seize compound around the threads and got them back in. This side seemed to be the more difficult side to reach everything, at least for me. I mean, because I couldn't get a torque wrench, probably with this steering shaft or whatever this is that was in my way. I had a difficult time getting my torque wrench around 2 of them, but was able to do it on all 4 on the other side. The wires I put on were, I picked up this kit from Advanced Auto. I spent over $100 for the plugs and the wires and everything, but it's, I don't know how much it is by you guys, but there's the old wires, which the wires probably really didn't need to be changed, but I did it anyway, just because. And also, I'm going to show you quick, I got a workbench going on the back of my garage wall here. That one cabinet there was being thrown away by someone in my neighborhood, as well as that one over there and the one that I have on the floor there. I'm probably going to put that one up on this back wall somewhere. I'm thinking of putting, I can't really get the, well, I have a 2-car garage, and you can see that one wall starts there. I can't give you a depth of, but it's almost going mainly across the entire back wall of my garage. I want to put pegboard and hang up, because I just have a crap ton of sockets and everything that when they're in my toolbox there, it's difficult to see which ones are where. So I'll probably maybe hang some pegboard over there and hang all the sockets, or on that wall there. But my garage is becoming greatly organized, and I'm happy with. Another thing I'm happy that I got a new 3-ton floor jack, which works. Believe me, it works a hell of a lot better on this thing than than that thing over there. um, but yeah, slowly but surely it's looking good. Sorry for the shaky camera. Happy that the fuel regulator switch was a $90 part. But yeah, it's thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later, guys.